What's up, guys? I am on site with a used machine and I am doing some diagnosing right now. So what I have is down there, I have air coming out of my CIP manifold, which tells me that I have a leak in one of the pinch valve bladders. So what I've done is I've gone around to the machine, and on my valve operations page, I have my snips and I have my fill throttles. So I'm gonna, right now they're both closed, which means it's sending air to the pinch valves. When there's no air present in the pinch valve, it's all the way open. So to close them, we have to send air. So I'm going to open my sniffs, and the leak is still happening. If I open my choke throttle, the leak goes away. Interesting. So now instead of all 10 pinch valves going through them and trying to find one, now I've narrowed it down to 5. So now let's go around to the back and see if we can find it. So now I'm around the back of the machine, and as you can see, air is still coming out of that CIP manifold. So all I gotta do is the tubing on top of my pinch valves. I just gotta pull the tubing. I think we found it.